Welcome back to EduTube! Imagine you have a magical fingerprint scanner that instantly creates a unique code for anything you scan. No two items ever get the same code, and even the slightest change creates a completely new code. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, this is exactly how hash functions work in blockchain. In today's video, we will break down 1. What hash functions are. 2. How they work. 3. Why they are essential for blockchain security. 4. Real-life examples to make it super easy to understand. If you've been following our blockchain course, you already know that security and integrity are the backbone of blockchain technology. And hash functions play a massive role in ensuring that. So let's dive in! What is a hash function? A hash function is a mathematical algorithm that takes any input, whether it's a number, text, image, or even a whole document, and converts it into a fixed-length code called a hash. Think of it like a blender. 1. You put different fruits input into the blender. 2. No matter what fruits you put, the blender always produces a smoothie output. 3. If you add even a tiny drop of extra milk or sugar, the entire smoothie's taste changes. Similarly, a hash function takes any input and processes it into a unique, fixed-length output. Even a small change in the input completely alters the output. How do hash functions work? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Input data. You start with any data, a name, a password, a file, or even an entire block of blockchain transactions. Example, let's say you input the word hello into a hash function. Step 2. Processing. The hash function performs complex mathematical operations on the input. Step 3. Fixed length output, hash. No matter how long or short your input is, the output hash always has the same length. Example, 1. Input hello. 2. Hash output, 2 CF24 DBA5 FFB0A30 A26E83 B2 AC5 B9E29 E1 B161 E5 C1 Fe 7425 E73 043 362938 B9824. Now let's say we change just one letter from hello, capital H to small h. 1. Input, hello. 2. Hash output, 5D 41402 ABC, 4B2 A76, B9719 D911017 C592. Even though we changed only one letter, the hash output is completely different. This is called the avalanche effect. A small change in input leads to a massive change in output. Why do hash functions matter in blockchain? Hash functions are used everywhere in blockchain technology to ensure 1. Data integrity, making sure nothing is altered. Imagine you send a digital contract to someone. How can you be sure that it hasn't been altered? Simple! Before sending, you generate a hash of the contract. When the receiver gets the contract, they run it through the same hash function. 1. If the hash matches, the document is unchanged. 2. If the hash is different, the document was tampered with. In blockchain, every block has a hash. If even one tiny detail is changed, the hash changes, making fraud impossible. 2. Security protecting data and passwords. Hash functions keep passwords and transactions secure. Ever wondered why you can reset a password but can't see your old one? That's because websites don't store passwords. They store the hash of your password. Example, 1. If your password is mysecurepass123, the system only saves its hash. 2. When you log in, the system hashes your entered password and checks if it matches the stored hash. 3. Even if hackers steal the data, they only get hashes, which cannot be reversed back into the original password. Blockchain uses the same principle to secure transactions and prevent fraud. 3. Linking blockchain blocks. Ensuring a tamper-proof system. Each block in a blockchain contains 1. Data, like transactions. 2. A unique hash. 3. The hash of the previous block. This forms a chain, hence the name blockchain. If someone tries to change data in one block, its hash changes, breaking the link between blocks. This makes blockchain extremely secure because tampering with one block means changing all blocks after it, which is practically impossible. Daily life examples of hash functions. Let's take some real-life examples to understand hash functions better. 1. Digital fingerprint for documents. When you send an important document via email, you can use a hash function to generate a unique fingerprint of the file. If the receiver checks the fingerprint and it matches, they know the document wasn't altered. 2. Lottery draw. Ensuring fairness, many online lotteries use hash functions to prove that winning numbers were not altered after the draw. 3. Online banking security. When you transfer money using a banking app, hash functions help secure the transaction and ensure it hasn't been tampered with. 4. Detecting plagiarism. Universities use hash functions to check if students copied content in their assignments. A small change in words creates a completely different hash, making it easy to spot plagiarism. Let's quickly review what we learned today. 1. Hash functions convert data into a unique fixed-length code. 2. Even a tiny change in input creates a completely different hash. 3. Hash functions are essential in blockchain for data integrity, security, and linking blocks. 4. They are widely used in passwords, digital signatures, online banking, and much more. Without hash functions, blockchain security would be impossible. This was video 10 of our blockchain course here on EduTube. In the next video, we will explore digital signatures, how they work in blockchain. So, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.